Okay, one of the things that we're learning about in class right now is how to graph cubic functions that have been moved around a little bit. So for this situation, we have an a value of 2, a b value of 2. Remember, the b value flips upside down, so the b value here is 2. We have an h value of 1. Okay, remember this sign flips, so h is not -1, it's +1. And then we have a k value of 3. So what we're going to do is take the original parent function points and move them according to these numbers. So the first thing we have to understand is that the numbers that affect x are the numbers that are inside here with it. Okay, so b and h affect x. So in this problem, the b value is 2, right? And remember, we multiply with the b value. So all of my x values are going to get multiplied by a 2. Okay, my x values are also going to get added 1, because that is my h. And what happens is this will give me my new x values for the function that I want to graph. So 2 times -1 is -2, plus 1, well, that's -1. 2 times 0, that's 0, plus 1, that's 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So these right here are my new x values. Now I have to find my new y values. Okay, well, the y is affected by a and k. Okay, my a value is 2, my k value is 3. So all my y values get multiplied by 2 and get added by 3. Okay, this gives me my new y values. So my new y values, 2 times -1 is -2, plus 3 is 1. 2 times 0, that's 0, plus 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So what happened is I took my original parent function's points, I used these values that were added into my function and moved my points around. So my new points are -1 and 1, 1 and 3, and 3 and 5. Okay, so when I come over here to graph this, okay, so like on your homework, you want to graph your parent function first. Okay, so my parent function is graphed. Now I'm going to graph -1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, it's about there, and then 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, I go up 5, so 3, about right here. Okay, and then I just connect my points. Remember, this is not a linear function, it's a cubic function. Okay, so the transformations that should have taken place, first of all, I know I should have moved up because this k value is 3. So yeah, I did move up. I also should have moved to the right, and I did. I moved to the right a little bit, just 1. And then I should have vertically stretched and horizontally stretched. Okay, so vertically stretched and horizontally stretched should be happening, which it did. So that's how you graph a cubic function given the transformations. That's how you graph it by hand. It's a lot like your homework.